Welcome, I'm Cody, your coach for today's 10-minute English listening and speaking practice. You can listen and repeat as many times as you need to. Practice makes your natural English accent flow more easily. Subscribe so you never miss a session. Let's begin. Listen carefully, then repeat clear. Speak. Slow. Practice. Good. Confident. Now repeat the phrase. Speak clearly. Speak clearly. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Daily practice. Daily practice. Now, listen to this sentence and repeat slowly. I want to speak English clearly and confidently. I want to speak English clearly and confidently. Repetition helps you improve your pronunciation. Repetition helps you improve your pronunciation. Every day, I listen and repeat with focus. Every day, I listen and repeat with focus. Let's connect words for smoother speech. Listen and repeat. I'm going to practice English every day. I'm going to practice English every day. This helps me speak with confidence. This helps me speak with confidence. The more I practice, the better I get. The more I practice, the better I get. Listen and repeat. Can you speak English clearly and confidently? Can you speak English clearly and confidently? Yes, I can speak English clearly and confidently. Yes, I can speak English clearly and confidently. This is my daily English practice. This is my daily English practice. Now, a longer sentence. Listen and repeat. With daily practice, my English pronunciation improves every day. With daily practice, my English pronunciation improves every day. Clear communication helps me in my professional life. Clear communication helps me in my professional life. I feel confident speaking English with anyone. I feel confident speaking English with anyone. Now we will practice some natural phrases you hear in real conversations. Listen and repeat. How are you doing today? How are you doing today? I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy reading books and listening to music. I enjoy reading books and listening to music. Can you help me with this task? Can you help me with this task? Sure, I will be happy to help. Sure, I will be happy to help. Repeating these phrases will build your speaking confidence. Repeating these phrases will build your speaking confidence. Now listen and repeat these short questions and answers. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. Yes, I speak English. Can you speak slowly? Can you speak slowly? Yes, I can speak slowly. Yes, I can speak slowly. Excellent work. Keep practicing every day. Excellent work. Keep practicing every day. Let's practice sentences with rhythm and connected speech. Listen carefully, then repeat. I'm learning English to improve my communication skills. I'm learning English to improve my communication skills. Every day, I practice speaking clearly and confidently. Every day, I practice speaking clearly and confidently. My pronunciation is getting better with each practice session. My pronunciation is getting better with each practice session. I enjoy speaking English because it helps me connect with people. I enjoy speaking English because it helps me connect with people. Listen and repeat these phrases. Can you understand me clearly? Can you understand me clearly? Yes, I understand you clearly. Yes, I understand you clearly. Let's keep practicing together every day. Let's keep practicing together every day. Now listen to this longer sentence. Consistent practice will help you speak English fluently and with confidence. Consistent practice will help you speak English fluently and with confidence. Remember to repeat this video multiple times to improve your pronunciation. Remember to repeat this video multiple times to improve your pronunciation. Every session brings you closer to speaking with clear communication. Every session brings you closer to speaking with clear communication. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep practicing daily to improve your English pronunciation and speaking confidence. I'm Cody from Perfect Daily English. Subscribe for more English listening practice and speaking exercises. Remember, repetition is key. Listen and repeat as many times as you want. Your natural English accent will improve with consistent effort. Stay confident, and I look forward to practicing with you again soon. Have a great day.